Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new feature on the WhatsApp PC app that lets you send one-time viewed videos. This is a great way to share memorable moments while keeping things private. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. You'll find your chats lined up, ready to connect with friends and family. Next, scroll through your conversations to find the one where you want to send the video. Click on the chat to open it up. Once you're in the conversation, look for the attachment icon in the chat window. Click on it, and a menu will pop up. Here, select the Photos and Videos option to start the process. Now, it's time to find the video you want to share. Browse through your files, and once you locate the perfect clip, click on it and hit the Open button. Before you hit Send, there's one more step to customize how your video will be viewed. Click on the icon with the number 1. This is the feature that makes your video a one-time view. It ensures that the recipient can only see it once before it disappears. Finally, click the Send button, and that's it. Your one-time viewed video is now on its way to your chosen contact. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send one-time viewed videos on the WhatsApp PC app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Happy chatting!